14 Elm Virtual Tour. This is an awesome house, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, huge, large backyard, double car garage. We just built this brand new stairs here. There's the back. It's really a nice property. It's really a private street, and it's just a nice property. So let's go inside and look at this. So when you first walk in, you have a nice living room here. Again, plug, switches, lights, blinds, new paint, everything's new. This is your dining room. Again, plug, switches, lights, all that. Nice big dining room. The kitchen flows right into here. So new flooring, eat-in kitchen, really nice. You have an exit in the back there. Here's that. There's your kitchen things, and then you have a bedroom. So you have a Jack and Jill here with a shower, tub, new toilet. This is your bedroom here. So you can come through the kitchen or the bedroom. So you have a downstairs bedroom, then you have 2 upstairs bedrooms here. So let's go upstairs. Two big bedrooms up here. So really nice. Newer windows. You can see how big your backyard is here. It's a nice big fenced in backyard. There's this. And both the closets are, they're walk-in. We're putting a pole across. And here's the other bedroom. Yeah, nice big bedroom. Walk-in closet. So big closet, and we'll have a pole in there too for your hanging. So plug, switches, lights, all new up here. So this is a really nice house. I'll go down and show you the other bathroom, all that. Got a nice front porch there. Plenty of room to for a family, or it's a big lot. This is a big lot. It's gonna get a basement down here. Brand new bathroom, new toilet, sink, and you have a brand new shower here. All nice, all done. So you can see here, this is a nice big basement. You have a newer heater in here. Water heater. Just a gorgeous place. So this is your virtual tour, 14 Elm. It's for rent. Great area, great location. Thanks. Have a great day.